What's up, guys? Dr. Valentine here at Next Level Chiropractic. A lot of people ask us, what is that popping noise? The simple answer is gas escaping a joint. To give you an idea, a joint contains synovial fluid, which is a thick fluid that lubricates the joint and decreases friction. And synovial fluid contains gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. So when we deliver that specific chiropractic adjustment, it will stretch that joint capsule, opening it, releasing those gases, producing that cavitation or popping noise. So for some of you that crack your knuckles, it takes time for those gases to return back into the synovial fluid to create that popping noise once again.